A mixed fruit yogurt is a nutritious treat. If you make it at home is even better. It's easy to make, from only 4 ingredients listed above. It starts with a good plain yogurt made from simple ingredients. Add some rolled oats and honey to that. Then, of course, you need some fruit. Berries are very good with yogurt, so is mango. You have to peel and chop the mango in bite-sized pieces. I'm going to use about half of the mango per cup of yogurt. Fresh fruit bring a lot of vitamins and fiber, not to mention the wonderful taste. To assemble a yogurt cup, scoop 3/4 cup of yogurt and transfer to a serving dish. I should mention that I'm using this yogurt because it is made from just 3 simple ingredients: milk, cream, and culture. Add 1/3 cup of rolled oats to the mix. Oats are rich in protein and also have fiber. They're perfect for a balanced treat. Next, you need some honey. It is a natural, unrefined sweetener that is very healthy in moderation. Go for unpasteurized. Then add the mango pieces to the mix. Save a few for the top. I like to mix different colorful fruits together. They enhance the taste of the yogurt. They're also full of vitamins and fiber. Raspberries are my favorite fruit for this recipe, so I'm going to make this cup for myself. In the end, I should mention that this is an adult serving size. Enjoy.